In front of me is IGET Smart L203, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first just open some area where you can enter the text. I do recommend messages because they are always nearby and it's the easiest way. So here we've got it. Let me go back. And now tap on new message. Let's pick any contact just to enter this area. So if you'll click here, you'll be able to see that we are set up with English, and if you would like to change it, tap on settings icon, go to languages, click on add keyboard and select keyboard that you would like to apply. As you can see, the list is super long and lots of languages are located here, so no matter where you're from, you will find something suitable. And to make the difference visible, I will pick Yiddish, click on done, and I will remove all languages beside Hebrew. Tap on bin icon then, and from now on you can see that we've got Hebrew alphabet. And this is it. This is how you can change keyboard dictionary, how you can change keyboard language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.